Okay, that's just my vocal warm-up for today's I do before making a video. But hello everyone, welcome back. This will be the most important and most valuable video ever, so put it on full screen and don't watch the comments yet, and just pay close attention. Alright, this is gonna be the most important video ever. Like many people out there, they give you important practical tips about how to stop being a nice guy and all, but say no more often, prioritize yourself more, stop sacrificing yourself. Yeah, that all is quite useful and all, but no one gets to the main important point that they want to share with you. They're missing a very important point and they don't even get close to it. No. And that is to actually fix what is wrong in the subconscious mind. You see, we are humans too. We grow up with having these thinking habit patterns where everyone since child we tell us to, hey, that's bad thing to do, that's good thing to do, stop doing this, stop doing that, yes, do this and do that. Everyone tells us to do this and do that, and just succumb to the society's needs and expectations, to everyone else's expectations except for ours, of what we want to be, of what we want to achieve. And so this thinking habit patterns is built up on our brain, set our brain for years, and a lot of years to come again. And so what is happening is every time we do the nice guy things, we don't even realize we are doing the nice guy thing. So people tell you to say no more often. Go out there, and when people ask you something to do you don't want to do, you should say no. But then an opportunity came up. A guy told you to, hey, can you help me to wipe my ass? And you just say yes without even realizing it, because it's in your subconscious mind that for you to say yes, it's in your subconscious mind for you to go out there and really help people. So you forgot what that you should say no, because it's not something that you should do and it doesn't even benefit you. What's the benefit of wiping their ass, man? Alright, that's not a real example, but I hope you get the real idea what I'm trying to really send to you. And so that no one really talks about this to fix the subconscious mind in it. And this is not some kind of like law of attraction bullshit. This is real, man. The subconscious mind is real. Sometimes you go out there and you hide your real self. You don't even realize it. You're hiding your mistakes. You don't even realize it. You try to be someone else. You don't even realize it. Our subconscious mind controls us in a way that we don't even realize it. That's why we keep being the nice guy. Even we watch a lot of videos, we read a lot of books to how to stop being the nice guy. Now to share to you what actually really helps me a lot is there's two things. The first is, of course, you have to meditate. You have to be more aware of what you're doing daily, every day, every single time, because you need to catch yourself when you are doing those nice guy things. For example, you should say no when someone tells you to do something stupid. You catch yourself, oh shit, I didn't say no, right? My fault. But I caught myself there being the nice guy. So you want to meditate so you can build awareness that you are catching yourself doing the nice guy thing to do. Right, the next. Once you are aware of what you're doing, you want to start journaling. Because there's no point of just being fully aware of what you're doing, but you don't write it down. It's going to be useless. You'll forget it in a day or two, because we really have short limited amount of attention span. That's how we work. With this all TikToks and social medias and Instagram and everything in the world, yeah, that's how things really work. And so this is why I made this Notion template, so that you can all write down that when you catch yourself doing the nice guy thing, open up this Notion template at the end of the day. You don't have to do it exactly. At the end of the day, think back of what are the nice guy things you did and write it down. I personally use this Notion template of mine that was created by me. How obnoxious of that of me. Yeah, you can absolutely use anything, but using technology is way easier because you can access it from a lot of things, a lot of your devices, from the internet, the cloud. Even when you don't, actually if you don't have internet, you cannot use it, but it's so much easier because most of the time we have internet, alright? And the best part of all is it's free for everyone, only if you subscribe. Nah, just kidding. You subscribe or don't, it doesn't really matter. You can still access it for free from the pinned comments down below or the description, wherever I put it. Just find it, blah. But please, come on guys, just give him a subscribe and just give him a like, because hey, come on, I'm still needy inside, man. I need some subscribe, I need some validation. So I just got myself doing the nice guy thing, and I'm soon going to audit it at night. I'm going to write it down in my Notion template. So now I have explained to you how important it is for you to build awareness and actually journal it down. So now we're going to take a look at the Notion template that I made for you. Alright, see you there. Here we are in the Respected Man's Daily Journal created by me, the Young Rock. Right, so now, but what's important is this calendar, right? So let's say what day is today? 17th of November, right? So this is today, and what you're gonna do is first add an item. And when you click on add an item, you can see a set of questions that I personally think will be the best for you to actually journal. So first of all, this one is usually something that will be kept constant for a few months or few weeks. 2 major syndromes I'm working to fix currently. Maybe you're right. So for example, passive aggressive. I want to stop being passive aggressive. And the second one is I want to prioritize myself more. So this is the two major syndromes I'm working to fix currently. What respected qualities I did today? Be highly specific. You're going to start off with the good things you do, so you appreciate yourself more and don't be so self-attacking on yourself, right? What respected qualities I did today? So let's say today I'm thinking of an answer, of an example, right? Today I respect qualities I did today. What is it? Right, today I didn't hide the fact that I am making YouTube videos. If you all don't know that when you hide something, a fact that you're currently doing, you're trying to mask your real self off, and that's what a nice guy thing to do is to mask yourself. You not feel that it's okay for you to be yourself, and so you hide the fact of things you're doing. I share it with my friend today who is asking me what I did the day before. It's just good. It's a good thing to do. You don't hide the things you are doing because this is a nice guy thing to do. You are confident in yourself. You are having your own self-worth today. And then now we're going to go to the what nice guy things I did today. Alright, for example, today I tried to be charming in front of a receptionist. I tried to show her my money in my wallet and trying to make her think that I am rich. I am committing a problem, a mistake of manipulation. You see, now the nice guy thing to do is that they try to make themselves look better than who they really are. So like, for example, you go out on a date and you tell the girl, look, I'm rich, right? You can see it in my wallet, there's a lot of money in it, so you should date me. You're not going to say that exactly, but you are showing them your wallet with full of money, so she's going to think that, oh damn, that guy's rich, I'm gonna marry him. Why did I do that? Try to understand from your subconscious mind perspective. Because I feel like I am not good enough to date the receptionist if I am not rich enough. This is because many friends during my childhood bullied me because I am broke. I am poor. How can I improve? I should just heard that she looks attractive and that not use actually money to manipulate her into liking me. No, I should have more self-respect and be comfortable with who I am because I am worth more than just couple kind of money in the wallets. Right, for example, right, for some of you who doesn't really know kapukan, because it's actually in Malayan. I kind of don't know the exact word in English, and kapukan just means like there's a lot of it in the wallet, like stacking up, and that's it. That's how you created your journal. Not gonna be long, just 5 minutes, but you got to do it every day, please guys. Please do it every day. It's gonna be important for you. You will thank yourself for doing it, and you will thank me, and you will subscribe, and you will like to this video, because it's gonna help you damn a lot, man. And done. Oops, no, that's not the button. Done. Today. So soon you'll be writing all along. You can see on what day you actually didn't wrote it down. So it's also a good thing for us accountability for what you're doing, because you got to write, well, probably most of 90% of every day, because this is gonna be the single most powerful thing you can do. So everyone, what you need to do is really now go into the link comments, the pinned comments down now, and click on the link now and download it, duplicate it, and write today for what the nice guy thinks you did today. Audit it in this journal and do it every single day. Trust me, do it every day. You're going to realize that you're changing more and more every day. Little by little, soon by 2, 3, 4, 5 months, you'll be so different than who you are today. But you got to write it down. It's important, right? So subscribe, because this is going to be the best video you ever seen ever. And until then, take care and be a fucking rock.